Misuse.
Misuse from the car.
Right, I'll go this way. Oh, look down there.
What?
The West Midlands Railway Service. Right, let's go.
Got it.
Good God.
We'll have that on the photo.
Right, so we're going to have a double pass here.
Right, let's try and get a tone from this one first. As it's
I don't know if this signal's gone green or not.
Well, it might have just gone. Well,
What?
I think
What is that alarm?
I don't know.
I
That
love
one's
the
coming,
wind.
so the freight's going to be the one that's going to be taking its time on that. I bet the freight stopped at the other signal
Maybe.
because they usually let the passenger service go through first.
Six 106 to Birmingham New Street. We're staying down for the freight train. That was a hard bunk from you, mate.
I know.
Mr. YO barrier.
Why the ZN barrier got the same treatment?
Ha!
With the ZO barrier though, because it's like fit, like it's.
Look at the traffic.
Yeah, this is going to cause a traffic jam.
I hope it does, because I want to get another hangman.
I don't think, like, if the freight train's coming now, then I don't think we'll be going that long. Anyway.
You know, I'm just going to stand back just very in case.
I'm already standing back, because you never know. Like, it was going to stay, it was staying down earlier, yeah? And then it decided, oh, I'm going up now. So, yeah.
Wigwag. A wigwag smack does the job. Look at that big tall thing up there.
I mean, it's not as tall as the others, but yeah.
I mean, you're rather short considering the others.
I can touch the bottom of it though. No, I can't, never.
You can touch the keep crossing clear sign.
Yes.
I don't know if I can.
No.
I'm too short.
Need more.
Oi! Look who's here.
All Weetabix.
No.
This phone is very hard to hold at the same time as waving to a train.
Big, isn't it? What the hell is that?
It's a foldable phone.
What?
The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5.
Oh, okay.
Oh, 66302 again!
Wherever it goes. And up they go.